As I said that what I would remember that Nigeria, at least what I said earlier, the best message for me to take that there are very few places in the world today, which at least has this concept of caliphate. When I went to Sokoto, it is a caliphate.
Right.
So I would say that at least that, if it expands to the full world, and if you have one Khalifa, here it's Sultan, but if you have one Khalifa, then inshallah we'll go back and Muslims will be united and no one will be able to play around like how they're doing with Palestine, how they're causing trouble to Palestine. If we have one united, and then if we have, as I told you, like if you have instead of the Interpol, the Islam Pol, and they can have NATO, why can't we have the MECTO, Muslim Countries Treaty Organization? I know the problem is that I'm not telling that let all have a one common political leader. No, I'm not saying that. Difficult.
Might not be, yeah.
Might not be possible. Let each country, Muslim country, have its own political leader. No problem. But at least be united. When NATO